midnight. Let's go and hit a muscle up training session. Now, why is a man up at midnight drinking coffee and doing a workout? Well, I've got a 10,000 word dissertation to write for university, which is a pain in my fucking arse. But it means you got to do extreme things to get things done. You got to crack on in it. Espresso.
Put the needle on the record when the drum beats go like this. When the drum beats go like this. Like this. I need a doctor now. I need a doctor immediately. Last night I OD'd on rush, mushrooms and dust. They got rushed to the hospital to get my system flushed. I'm an alcoholic and that's all I can say. I call it a work cause all I do is frolic and play. I swallow grenades and take about a bottle a day. A Tylenol 3 and talk about how violent I'll be. Give me 11 things that are in my head a spit. Medicine will get me rapping like a 747 Genesis. I'm ice willing you, staring you down with a grimly grim. I'm Eminem, you're a fag in a women's gym. I'm slim. The shady is really a fake alias to save me with in case I get chased by space aliens. A brainiac with a cranium pack full of more uranium than a maniac, Saudi Arabian. A highly combustible head, spasmatic, strapped to a craftmatic adjustable bed. Laid up in the hospital in critical condition. I flatlined, jumped up and ran from the mortician. I strike a steel pose and hit you with some milk flows that don't even make sense, like Dykes using dildos. So reach in your billfolds for 10 ducats and pick up this Slim Shady shit that's on ruckus. Something, I get weeded. My daughter scribbled over that rhyme. I couldn't read.
Jim's clearing out a bit now, so I don't mind talking on the camera. This mirror, so bloody close. Let me try and do a few without so much leg kick, if I can. So, see, that's not too bad. The problem is there. You can hear my toes touch that, which to me invalidates the rep. How irritating. Well, I think we'll do as many invalid touching the glass muscle ups as we can, because I can't seem to avoid doing it. It's just so close. Like literally, those bars where the pull-up bar is are against the glass, and then we're going to wrap it up because I need to save some energy for recording the push-up mastery course for the school group after this. So, link in description. That one really didn't count. Got one more in me. Too much to glass touching. Yeah, that was very much an assisted muscle up. My feet were properly on the glass. No, that's me. I need to rest up for an hour, do some dissertation work, and then I need to save some more energy to do the course later. So I don't want to burn out fully right now. I think that's me for the time being. Overall review of today's training, not very good. But the only way to rectify that is to find a different pull-up bar, basically, in a different place, because this one's too close to the wall. So no matter how you try and kick your legs, your toes always touch the glass, which, no matter how small, is still a tiny piece of assistance at the end of the day. Let's go and have some food and rest up for a bit. Right, now we're gonna eat, and I want to divulge one of my sensational recipes. High protein wrap, 11 grams protein per rep. Right, I just realised the pack was resealable, so you didn't need to bust it open to quite that degree. That's alright, we move. Let's just heat one, just nicely. Then we're just going to crack 4 eggs into a pan. I thought about throwing that at the wall then for content, but I literally just can't be bothered to deal with that. Alright, scramble those beaches. And while they're scrambling, we'll pull out some, I call it Parma ham. I couldn't read that on the front. In fact, that's probably what it says. It's just in Italiano. Layer that on your tortilla. Oh, it's falling apart. Oh, nice. My pan isn't being super non-stick with me right now, but that's fine. That's just all part of the experience. We're going to add a little bit of chili sauce. Tesco mild chili sauce, like £1.30 or something. Tiny bit, not loads, don't want it super watery. Just a bit. It's got some beans in it as well and stuff. It's just good, it's good stuff, mate. Now do that through your scrambled eggs. Nicely done. Very nicely done. Right, now this is ready. Basically when you reckon it's ready, just look at it, eyeball the thing, and get it in on top of the Parma ham. Let me tilt you. Right, you see this beast? Oh, I'm out of frame, bruv. Right, so, here's what we got. I mean, everything looks very yellow in my videos. That's my camera settings that I haven't figured out yet. But basically, do that, roll, tuck, roll. That's 11 gram fajita with a load of eggs in it, wrapped in Parma ham, beans, chili sauce. Do you know what I mean? You can look back up here, mate. Whoa. Let's give it a gander. Alright, now I've got to make another espresso and do a load of uni work. And then I've got to record the push-up mastery course for the school group. So if you want to join, link below. Almost forgot to mention, also in the school group, we now have a cookbook which I'm going to keep adding to. It's called the 6-Pack Cookbook, Shred and Sizzle. Check that out too. See you soon.